Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mason Osteller here, Tom Kelly Cadillac Genius. I got a 2019 Malibu behind me with less than 50,000 miles, about 47,000 miles on this thing. Let's check it out. Get a good look at the badging here. We'll come around to the passenger side. Vehicle looks great. No dings, no dents. The rims are in great condition. Now we'll get a look at the driver's side coming down long ways. The trim, the chrome trimmer on the windows looks great. Again, the rims on this side look fantastic as well. In the back trunk area, now you see it has some carpet mats that come right with it in the trunk. Customer must have never used those that traded it in. Basically brand new. On the interior now, this vehicle still has to go through our reconditioning process, but look, you can tell it's been taken care of by the previous owner, so it's not going to need too much work. Memory seat buttons here. Cruise control buttons with the gap adjust there, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist. You have your hands-free phone controls here. Right here, this 4-arrow dial is for your driver information cluster. You see, if I press this down arrow, we have more diagnostics that our vehicle will tell us, and you can pick and choose what you want to show up there. Traction control, park assist, automatic park assist. Dual climate zones with driver and passenger heated seats. Sunroof. Built-in navigation, user profiles, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Visit TomKellyCadillac.com for more.